WILP. WILP is Work Integrated Learning Program. In this program, you would have an opportunity to earn alongside learning with Wipro. By that, I mean that in this program, you will be working on the weekdays, and on the weekends, you will be completing your MTech degree. Now, the MTech would be completely sponsored by Wipro, and it will be from BITS Pilani.
Today, this is called Mindtree Edge program, which gives you an opportunity to earn your MTech program while you are working with us. So there are 3-4 phenomenal opportunities that you will get. One is definitely the MTech, and that too from BITS Pilani. It's a 4-year journey that you will go with us and BITS Pilani for this MTech program.
For this profile, now we will be sharing the eligibility criteria, so please listen to us very carefully. Only BSc and BCA graduates are eligible for this role. BSc, BC graduates should be 2021 graduates. Basically, they should be graduating this year. Okay, if you are an MTech, MBA, any postgraduate degree, or BCom, BBA, BBM, BA, you are not eligible for the role. Only those candidates who had core mathematics subject in their UG are eligible.
The eligibility criteria, as we've advertised on the webpage where you registered, as well as communication which has been sent out to you in terms of a job description. You have to be 2020 or 2021 graduate only. If you are either before that, or if you are still studying and are going to graduate next year, you're not eligible to sit for this process. We are looking at only BSc and BCA talent. Specifically, that if you are from a BSc background, you should have had core mathematics as part of your program. In 10th and 12th, if you have passed, that's good enough. In your undergraduate program, you should have received a minimum of 60%, which means that your marks across the undergraduate should aggregate up to 60% or 6 CGPA. 59.5, 5.9, all of this is not actually allowed as per the base requirements which has come from BITS.
Now for this role, there is a service agreement of 60 months. I hope all of you are aware of that. And the joining location could be anywhere in India. You could be given any other joining location for training, and your project location could be different. Initially, we might give you work from home due to the pandemic, but there would be work from office when the conditions would be better. Under WLP, you will be having base and WIPS. That would be your roles and responsibilities. You could either be in application management services, or you could also be into cloud infrastructure management, that is WIPS.
And your journey with Mindtree starts with a 3 months program, which we call Orchard, as Chris was mentioning, that this Orchard program is to make you ready for project work. So we cover foundation, we cover specialization, which is mentioned as track, like say AI track or cloud track or Java track. So we have those specializations. Then we also give training on how do you execute project, and we call it as delivery. And that's how you will understand that what's a Mindtree way of working. And so that's how you start in August, and then you start on the application perspective with BITS Pilani, which takes a while, and then October is when you start your BITS Pilani MTech journey, which goes on for 4 years, and there will be weekend class for this particular MTech degree. You'll be ready for project allocation and start your work with the projects. As I said, live projects, client projects, you will get experience with. So you continue from November onwards, the experience as job experience and your education goes hand in hand. And you will likely to complete your 4-year degree program by October 2025.
These are the compensation and benefits which we have already shared with you, but we are just repeating it once again. So in the first, second, third, fourth year, all 4 years, you will receive different and incremented stipend. First year, it will be 15,488. Second year, 17,523. Third year, 19,618. Fourth year, 23,000. And fifth year, it would depend on your performance and your performance on the job and also your performance during your MTech course. So,
okay, this is how your compensation or your salary is going to be for the next 4 years after you join the organization. You'll start your career or you're starting your compensation at 15,750, which is mentioned there. Okay, let me highlight. That would be 15,750 is what you're going to get as your compensation or a monthly take home. You will also be eligible for the Mindtree insurance program. I'm sure you have seen how the challenging times we had in the last 2 years, starting from 2020 till now. How important health insurance is, how important it is in the difficult times. So you will be covered. The organization has been mindful and has taken that into consideration that anybody who's part of the organization needs to be given a health insurance, and that insurance is what the Mindtree is going to cover. And the total monthly gross for you as an individual is 16,300, in which 550 rupees will be deducted for the insurance. So this is the monthly for the year one. Once you complete your year one, you will directly move to 21,100 as your compensation, which is your monthly salary, in which, as I mentioned in my previous slide, year two, you will be an FTE, which means that you are a full-time employee. You will be covered under the Gratuity Act. So there is a gratuity deduction. And the total gross is 22,665 for the organization, in which there is a deduction of gratuity and there is a deduction of insurance. And you will be having a 21,100 as your salary. Come year three, the compensation would remain the same. And year four is where you will see another change, where your compensation will move to 24,000 because there is an increase in your basic. There is a contribution towards gratuity will increase. The insurance premium will remain 550, which Mindtree is going to take care of. But your monthly gross from the year 3 to year 4 is now going to increasing from 22,665 to 25,704.
So selection process, there are 4 rounds for this process, for the WIP process. First is the online registration, which you have already completed. Second, the online assessment, for which we all are here to discuss about. Next, if you clear the online assessment, then there will be technical interview and HR interview post that.
Have joined using the link that we sent to you from the campus@mindtree.com ID. If you have received the link from us, you have been invited for the assessment, so please make sure that you check your invites and log into the portal, which is VCP, We Create Problems, and log into the assessment on time. And once you have attended the assessment, later today you will receive your invites. If you clear the assessment, you will receive the invites. So please make sure that you check your inbox for all the mails that are being sent by us or our partner VCP, which is We Create Problems, where your assessment and the interviews will happen.